Samsung just changed a few things on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and the new photography functions on the S24 Ultra are what matter the most. Also, we have our first set of Geekbench results for the Exynos 2400, which seem promising, but don't be worried about the Exynos 2400 on S24 Ultra. Although we all knew the S24 Ultra will feature a 50-megapixel 5x telephoto sensor and no 10x telephoto sensor, there is a significant update on the device. According to Ice Universe Galaxy S24 Ultra, the video recording feature has changed. It can now swap between 4 different lenses while shooting at 4K 60 frames per second. You can now check the zoom level between 0.6x, 1x, 3x, and 5x, and these additional capabilities were not accessible on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. According to some reports, the Galaxy S24 Ultra may feature 8K video recording at 60 frames per second, which is a significant improvement over the 30 frames per second on the S23 Ultra, so the new camera combination on the S24 Ultra will be a 200-megapixel main shooter, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, a 10-megapixel 3x telephoto sensor, and a 50-megapixel 5x telephoto sensor, rather than a 10x zoom on the S24 Ultra. Galaxy S24 plus Exynos 2400 Geekbench scores well, and this seems promising since Samsung plans to introduce it in the Asian and European markets. The single-core score is 2067 and the multi-core score is 6520, which is higher than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, but when compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, it is somewhat lower at 2193 single-core score and 675 multi-core score. This means that the Exynos 2400 will have plenty of raw performance, but the power efficiency on the Exynos 2400 has yet to be confirmed, and if we see Tensor Gen 3 efficiency, it is not better than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 efficiency, but don't get worried because the Galaxy S24 Ultra was going to feature a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, and there is no Exynos 2400 model. According to various sources, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 GPU seems to have a 40% boost in benchmarks, although it is difficult to observe the performance gain in real life. Because the Adreno 750 did not provide significant improvements over the Adreno 740. Samsung plans to introduce the Galaxy S24 Ultra a month sooner than projected since manufacturing begins a month earlier than the S23 Ultra, resulting in a month earlier debut. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.